So we have the latest iteration of the DE1 Plus. This is a flush valve that we're trying to mount to the front to get it out of the way because we want to have this area here be empty so that when you open this panel here, then everything is easily visible and you can see the connectors, and if there were a water leak or something, you would immediately see it. So this is one of the heaters and this is another heater. You can see they're both wrapped in silicone. We're using these new connectors for water, and these are metal connectors because these are hot. And this is high pressure PTFE, Teflon solid tubing. These are now locking electrical connectors. This is the low voltage board, the high voltage board. There's a connector board going to the high voltage board. And then there's these connectors here. This is a relay for safety. So when you turn the power on back here, it actually turns this relay on, which then engages power. Over here is how water intake happens. And it goes into here, it goes into a flow meter. And then outside of the flow meter into the mixing chamber, which is over here. You can see the mixing chamber right here as well. And you see the tubes coming out. These are not completely hooked up. This is water going into the group head, and this is the flush. This is a temperature probe. This is a heater because we're heating the group head up so that we have stability of temperature. Thermostat, so if we were to overheat, it will reset. Right here, we're going to have a thermal fuse, which is a second failover we need to have for European compliance. Now, the next iteration we're having on this in about 10 days is going to replace this glue part here with a thermal sensor. And this is what our new temperature probes look like. That's what's going to go in here in about 10 days. This is where the Bluetooth module goes, and it's open so that the Bluetooth radio signals can come in. This is the water lever here, and power on off. This is a RJ45 plug, which is our accessory plug that can be used to do filling of the water tank automatically, and obviously a fan to keep things cool. The steam wand, here's the steam coming in, again metal connectors, and you can't see that well from this angle, but this is pump number 1, hot pump and cold pump. This is an overpressure valve, so that's another safety, and this is a mixing channel, and this is a temperature probe that plugs in here to tell the water temperature that's coming in. And this here is a whole isolation shield between the water section, which is over here, and the electrical section, which is here.